Hi, my name is Justin Wanzi. My team and I are here to present our research on Bolivia, Germany, and Japan. It is important to have a good knowledge of the country's online shopping patterns before expanding GymRats to the world of global e-commerce. In this video, we will be examining the different demographics and online purchases to determine which country would be the best to sell to. We started by conducting research on Bolivia, a small South African country with a wide range of natural resources. Bolivia is a majority Spanish-speaking country with the largest demographic being adults 40 to 54 years old. It is a largely religious country with over 98% practicing Christians. It is a presidential republic country with natural resources ranging from tin, natural gas, petroleum, zinc, tungsten, gold, and many more. The climate of Bolivia varies by the altitude as the country has a wide range of geographical features from mountains to lowland plains along with the Amazon basin. Bolivia has a wide range of online purchases. However, the purchases were mostly for electronics, phone applications and games, service payments, streaming services, and internet advertising, almost all electronic purchases across the board. People here can pay with cash at the point of delivery, which is the preferred method, along with credit card purchases and wire transfers. The country's online products are shipped almost entirely by UPS. This makes the country a decent option to offer services to. We then set our sights to a country on another continent, Germany. This Middle European country is much more similar to the United States as far as e-commerce platforms. For starters, the age range in Germany is collectively made up of 88% 25 to 44-year-old adults. Germany has a much wider range of religious practices than most other countries. It consists of Roman Catholics, Protestant, Muslim, Orthodox, and other forms of Christianity, coming in at the lowest of their religious practices. Germany is a German-speaking country with a federal parliamentary republic style of government. Germany experiences a temperate and cool climate similar to that of the US, with wet winters and summers. Germany has a vast amount of natural resources ranging from coal, lignite, natural gas, iron ore, copper, nickel, and arable land. Of Germany's online purchasing, they have the high volume of clothing purchases, followed closely by electronics, books, and shoes, much like the United States. They typically pay with invoice after delivery. They also pay frequently with direct debit or PayPal. Germany's preferred shipping company is DHL. We then set our focus on the Asian country of Japan. This country is very advanced as far as e-commerce goes and most closely matches that to the system we are familiar with in the United States. Japan is a Japanese-speaking country of predominantly 98% 35 to 44-year-old adults. They mostly have a Shintoism religious affiliation, closely followed by Buddhism, Christianity, and a few others. Japan operates under the parliamentary constitutional monarchy for many years now. The geography of Japan consists of mostly small broken-up islands that are mostly rugged mountainous terrains. The climate here is tropical in the southernmost part of the country, with the northern part experiencing mostly cold weather year-round. Natural resources include mineral resources, fish, and note. This country has little to no natural energy. People in Japan are primarily using e-commerce sites to purchase books, closely followed by food and beverage, clothing and accessories, personal care, and cosmetics, much like the United States. Their payment methods include credit card, bank transfer, or cash on delivery. Our team recommendation would have to be Japan. With so many people logging online every day, it would provide us with the highest chance to sell in profitable amounts. Japan's e-commerce platform is also the most similar to that of the United States, therefore making it slightly easier for somebody who is just beginning expansion on the global scale to navigate.